So today I'm actually going to make pear nut scones. So I have pears, I have pecans. I have, unfortunately, I just have whole wheat flour, so that's the substitution I'm going to make. But I'm excited to try the actual recipe, pear nut scones. So let's see how that turns out. Okay, so here I have all the ingredients for pear nut scones mixed together. Pear nut scones. So what do I have here? I have 1 3/4 cups of flour, 1/3 of a cup brown sugar, 2 teaspoons baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/3 of a cup of firm butter or margarine, so I use butter, 1 egg, half a cup, half and half. I think I ended up using table cream. Yeah, 35% table cream. What else do I have in there? 1 cup chopped peeled pears, so it's just over 1 cup, so maybe 1 1/4 cup, and a third of a cup of chopped pecans. Again, I used more than that, probably like half a cup or maybe even 3/4 of a cup of chopped pecans or crushed pecans. So that's what it looks like. So now I'm going to put it on the baking sheet and put it in the oven. So all the pear nut scones are on the baking sheets, ready to be baked. I ended up with quite a few today, 2 baking sheets worth. It looks like I have 12 plus 6, so that's 18. So exciting. I'm gonna put them in the oven, and hopefully both trays fit in the little oven that I have. Ooh, hot. And it's toasty in there. And we're gonna wait for, I think, 16 minutes and then see what we get. All right, so the pear nut scones are done. So I'm gonna get them out of the oven. Oh, geez, hot. Okay, at least 16 minutes have passed. All right, they look, not sure if they're done. They look kind of mild, but let's have a look. Let's flip one over. That's usually what I do. Oh, it looks brown and toasty, so they're probably done. Just check this side. Oh, those definitely look done. Well, now it's a matter of waiting for them to cool and then trying one. Well, I'll come back in a moment once they're cooled. Okay, so I wasn't very patient. I ended up cutting one of the pear nut scones up and putting some butter on them. They look really good, so I'm looking forward to trying them. So those are the pear nut scones. So I actually followed the recipe this time. Pear nut scones with pears and pecans. I didn't have all-purpose flour, so I used whole wheat flour, so I'm sure that's okay. And that's what it looks like. Yummy. Anyway, looking forward to trying them and making my next variation on the scone.